still on the property, they will be ticketed and towed.
Damn.
Move your car.
We're moving. Chill. I'm leaving. Chill.
Gotta get down. We appreciate you coming down.
Cops right there, dude.
Yeah.
The show's kind of over, but you're welcome to go park up there.
I appreciate you, man.
Are you good?
Yeah.
All that guys here, I think.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Hello. What's good, chat? It's your boy, Omareloff, and we are back again with another car meet vlog. We're out here, and it was an insane, actually, turnout. And I got here really late, but there's a lot of people here. It's kind of nuts. The whole street behind me is full of people, and I can't believe they're still here, bro. It's actually kind of lit. There's a lot of people pulled up, like Hamilton Collection and whatnot. We're here, and I'm pretty sure they drew out this huge crowd, but it's been sick, man. And your boy is sitting pretty as always. Take a look. Oh, yeah, baby. Yes, sir. Your boy Durant parked next to me, of course. It's funny because he pressure washed his car yesterday and it still looks But yeah, we just parked up, so we're gonna see if there's any kind of cars over here to check out. But a lot of the people already left because the cops kicked everybody out. But they still let us park in here. When I first drove by, they're like, you can't park in here because everyone got kicked out. And there is a lot of cops on the street. And every couple minutes we see like cops with their lights turned on, just like chasing people down. So it's kind of nuts. But we're gonna see if we can enjoy some of this, and we'll show you guys all of it. Take a look, baby. Huracan, perhaps. Damn, that spoiler goes crazy. Shit looks fire. Low key, I think I might want this spoiler. That thing is nuts. Look at that, it comes up right from the bill right there. I think I really like it. Pretty fire. I think it might look good on my car. You guys tell me what you guys think. Look at Jesse's car, twin turbo, baby. Jesse's a W-Mans, man, W-Mans.
What's up, Playboy?
What's up, dude?
Bro, that green looks good.
Yeah, how you been, man? How you been, bro?
Good,
Look
like,
clean, right?
Nah, get Bro, that motherfucker blinds people, man.
I know, dude. That's the whole point.
So good, dude.
Man, so what you gonna do? You gonna wrap yours or what?
No, I can't afford it. I'm not rich like
What you mean?
Go
Stop,
ahead,
bro. Stop. You
I heard that's the
tweaking.
most expensive wrap you can do.
Yeah, it's mad
Like
expensive,
10
bro.
G's or
The reason is that it's a one time. So you can't stretch it, you can't heat gun it. It's just one time application.
No way.
Yeah, so you have absolutely
Who did it?
no.
They gotta know what the fuck they're doing.
Hey man, it was a process. It was a process. I appreciate it, man. That's the whole point, bro. I just want to stand out a little bit, you know?
This thing's badass, dude.
I appreciate you. How you been? You good?
I've been good, bro.
That's dope,
I've been
man.
good. You hanging in there or what?
Yeah, man. Same old, bro. I saw it on the way in. I'm like, I know who that is. Yes, sir. Shit, guys. This shit getting shut down, bro. Rough with it. I mean, it makes sense, though. It makes sense, bro. This is a huge turnout. They definitely didn't expect this. I mean, look down the street, bro. You got bodies all the way down, and everybody's acting out. Yeah, the PD's not happy, bro. PD is not happy. It's a throne.
Vehicles are still on the property, they will be ticketed and towed.
Damn.
Move your car.
Good luck towing my shit, that ass. Ticketed and towed, bro. Good luck towing my shit, because you ain't towing that shit. I'll tell you that. You're going to have to slide like a cardboard under it. Start issuing tickets is crazy. All right, we pulling out. Hey, we got to dip. We got to go on to the next one. Bro, well, good luck towing this, because my shit is literally against the ground right now. Yeah, I do not think that they're going to be towing that. It's about an inch off the ground. Barely. We're moving. Chill. I'm leaving. Chill. I'm leaving. Durant, we gotta go. Nah, he's coming in. All right, bro, continue, man. Man, come on, bro. Be cool. Yeah, go to the back first. So it does suck that we're getting kicked out of here, but of course the event's been going on for 2 hours. We were 2 hours late, but we're gonna leave right now because I'm not gonna mess around with getting a ticket. I'm not trying to pay that. I got big expense later today that you guys are gonna see. We're gonna go to another car meet, and when we get there, we'll talk a little bit more. Hopefully it's still active. Oh, Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Na. Yeah, I see you, buddy. Yeah, I'm leaving. I promise. Hey, he's serious, bro. I got an idea. Next time, let's just go to a car meet and not bring any cars. We'll all just pull up. Body meet. It's a body meet. Body get together. Hey, step one, please.
I think it's 55 minutes away.
So the ISF is actually the car that got me into cars, and the second that I saw this car, I knew that I wanted to be a car guy one day. And bro, that was like 2008, I think. I haven't seen one in so long, bro. I love that car, dude. And then after that, it was the LFA. I mean, LFA on a different level, though. But yeah, we just got kicked out of that car meet. Actually, the cops were pretty chill about it. There was one cop that like had like a very angry face on, and then we went to a second parking lot that was nearby, and the cop that was in that parking lot were like, "Hey man, you guys kicking everybody out?" He's like, I'm like, smile, it's okay, smile. And he's like, bro geeked. It was so random. He geeked so hard. No one's ever told that guy to smile, bro. Just smile. You a cutie patootie, bro. Shit. I think it's like a car detail shop. We're really late to it.
Yeah, that's great.
So we made it to the next spot, and it's actually a little bit more of a vibe over here. There's a lot of people at the last one. The last one was absolutely packed to the brim. When we come over here, it's a warm welcome. We got a whole group of people saying what's up and shit. It was kind of chill. I like it. I like the good vibes. You know me, I'm a vibe guy, you know. That looks like a hot piece of shit. What is that? I think that's Durant's plug. Durant, your plug fell out.
No, we're good.
No, we're good. We're at the next spot, man. It's a chill vibe. I like it. There's a lot of cool cars here, a lot of built cars, which I like to see. You know, not regular traffic, but cars that people are passionate about. And I like that, man. You guys gotta start pulling up to these meets. The last one, there was about 10, 15 people that I recognized, and that was cool. I got to meet them, got to hang out with them, and that's what it's all about, man, having a good time together. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be honest, I'm very stressed out about later today. We're gonna be dropping the car off to the shop, and hopefully all the plans and everything works out, and it works out, man. I'm really stressed, Chad. I love you, okay? I love you. Please help. Please send help. Send prayers, bro. Hopefully everything works, man. What's up, man? Nice car, dude. 360 cam, huh?
Yeah.
How you liking it?
Pretty good.
Yeah? Dope, man. You probably get a lot of looks with the color, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hands down, bro.
The color was number one.
Mad fresh, bro. Best color I've seen in a while. I'm a big, nice color on a car guy, you know? That carbon looks fire.
Yeah, that was an option from factory.
That's sick. Dude, chat, bike life. I mean, come on, bro. I can't avoid it. Everywhere I go, I just can't avoid it every single time. Ooh, Durant. It's your car. You always park somewhere and it's always somewhere else.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Like
No, it makes total sense.
Like Autobot.
No, it makes so much. It's Autobot? No,
it's Autobot. Just drive
Autofat. The bike life, baby. Oh, I miss it. Oh, I miss it. Oh, man, I want to go back to it. I'm not going back to it. I'm not going back to it. Why am I kidding? Why am I lying? You know I'm not going back to it. Oh, sheesh. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. Damn, bro, got mad aura walking in, bro. Look at this. Damn. All the noises coming from the front. Oh, yeah, he just did something.
I think it popped the tire.
If you were sitting in it, it would. It's a perfect car for you, bro.
As the seat that comes out.
Even his front door slide all the way back.
The seat comes out.
Isn't that what it sounds like when you fart?
No, it's like.
He's got the revving sound playing through his speakers. And that's clean, bro. Sheesh. I love M4s, bro. I love it. And I need to get a custom license plate. We still haven't done that yet. It's taking too long. Bro, this is a car that everybody loved, bro, when it first came out. Shit's tough, right? That shit tough.
He just blew his suspension yesterday.
He blew the suspension? Goddamn, I thought that thing was just lowered. No, that's fucked up. That sucks. That sucks. Yeah, my bad. Durant, bro, we told you not to hop in.
My bad, I went down the street.
We told you not to hop in, bro. Tripping. You should have stuck to the van.
You guys got a bathroom?
Yeah, they have. Damn, my bad.
You did not just proxy a bathroom, bro. Ain't no way, bro.
That's all we have to do is
Where's the bathroom? Right here?
No, I mean, you might as well. You can make it. Hey, it is where you make it. You might grow something here. Oh, damn.
you think you broke your phone,
The
bro?
cop wanted to hear it
Yo.
in downtown.
It was so loud you broke your phone because of it.
It's a V10 engine over
Damn. Let me get the turbo, though. Can I have it?
M5, M6.
Ah, I can't have it. I asked him if we were going to get kidnapped in traffic. He's like, yeah. Oh, this shit's fire. That's nice. Yeah, oh, you do rap here too? Clean, bro. It's a nice shot, mashallah. Yes, baby, I like it. Nah, that's sick, bro. Thanks for showing us, man.
We built here before a 2023 M5 competition to 1100 horsepower.
Damn, 1100. Yo, low-key, nobody glazed Durant yet. Durant looking mad nice today, bro. Mad nice. Durant, I'm waiting for you to get to your tracksuit era, though. Sheesh. That guy was chill as hell, bro. That's a dope shot, man. Really cool shot. They worked on some really dope cars in there. I like that we going to all these places and experiencing these new things, meeting new people, man. I love that, bro. It's a vibe, bro. It's what you want. Just don't go to the Porsche meet. Don't go to the Porsche meet. Yo, this thing was going crazy gunshot mode a second ago. When we were in the garage, this is what we were hearing, bro. This shit's tough. Big old crowd around it too. Must be built as hell. Oh shit! That shit's cooking. No, that's tough. That's crazy. Student driver though. Coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for? Is that a dark horse?
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's kind of like a gray horse.
Nice. Yeah, what rally is it? Dragging these nuts across your face.
Dragon Rally.
Rally dragging these nuts across your face.
Smoky Mountain Drives.
Smoking on the
Smoky Mountain Drives.
mountain is nuts.
Drives.
Drives his in your ass. He's gonna do launch control. God damn! Dragon. Nice, those taillights are tough. What's up, man?
Stay home.
Been seeing you everywhere. How are you?
I would have seen you Wednesday at Edison.
Oh, yeah, dog.
Yeah, this is fucking big, bro. There's a lot of motherfuckers here. Damn, this is way more than the last one.
However you prefer.
Thanks, man. I'm good, right?
Yeah,
I lifted it, so should be good.
Yeah.
Yo, what's good, baby? We here at the next car meet, and this was actually lit with it, dude. Ooh, it's good vibes and a really good turnout. It's called Shy Detailing Company, CHM. They just opened up, and bro, whew, massive turnout. It's actually lit too, and they're very respectful, very cool, very chill people. And I can't wait to show you what's all here, baby. Ooh, a lot of dope people here, man. We're actually seeing a lot of familiar faces too, and I like that. Oh, one day, inshallah, bro. Oh my God, Matte Black Urus, bro. I don't know if it's a rap, I don't know if it's factory, whatever it is. I love it. And of course, always gotta give a little, you know what I'm saying, a little love to the team. But yeah, dude, a lot of cool cars here, man. Great turnout. Oh, that has to be probably my favorite car here, GT3 RS. Beautiful spec. Absolute fire, straight fire, bro. Oh, God, I don't even know what to say about this thing, man. I'm in love. Don't tell the Porsche guys, though, okay? Don't tell the Porsche guys from the other night. Don't tell them I like Porsches, bro. Don't tell them I like Porsches, bro. They might kick me out of here, bro. They might not even let me see this shit, bro. I don't know, right?
Is that like an F1 light?
I just said yes, but I don't know what you're talking about.
On the top. It's kind of like their version, or is that just a
No.
light?
You're talking about a rain light? I might be wrong though. Actually, now I need to do some research on what this light is. It's because when it's raining on the track and they're driving, they're spitting up a ton of water and you can't see. So the light flickers in the rain so that you have visibility. Because they don't have
windshield wipers.
They don't have taillights. What do you windshield
Why can't
wipers?
they
It's
see?
open. There's
Why
no
can't they-
windshield.
why
Durant,
can't
there's
they
no
see?
windshield. What do you mean? Why can't they see? It's no visibility. There's water everywhere. What are you talking about?
That's why you use windshield wipers. And it moves the wipers away.
You need a windshield wiper that wipes food away.
Let me use yours.
Nah. Hey, you're working on it. You're doing good, actually. I like that. That's a good comeback. But yeah, I definitely love the GT3 RS, man. Been a fan since forever, dude. And oh my God, bro, the spec is killing me. I like the yellow on it. I love the carbon hood, man. The spoiler is everything. DRS, oh, you can't beat it, bro. You guys can tell I'm like a kid in a candy store, a fat kid in a candy store. Inside is actually kind of tough, man. They got a really cool built old SRT right here. Oh my God. That's different. That's crazy. Look at that. Holy shit, man. Absolutely wicked. It honestly doesn't get any better than this, man. Like, this is best of the best, creme de la creme. You see this thing already?
Oh, no, not yet.
Freaking
That's
nuts.
like a big engine.
That's like a U engine.
How do you get flakes in a wrap?
What do you mean, how do you get flakes? How do you get color on a wrap? Are you stupid?
How do you get flakes on a wrap?
Why wouldn't you get flakes on a wrap? It's just the color of the wrap. It has flakes on it. It's the design.
Glitter.
You're like somebody that looks at wallpaper and says, how does wallpaper?
They paint it.
It's bro, that's the whole point. It's a wrap. This is how it is. Wait, this is the stock color?
Yeah,
That's not stock, Durant. It's painted. Maybe I'm wrong.
Wait, actually, is this an older one? No, this is a newer one.
This is a real color?
Wait, and unless these are aftermarket.
No, yeah, it might be stock, actually. I don't know. I have no idea. It looks clean as hell, though. Oh, this started earlier and it was unbelievably loud, bro. Oh, get wrapped. Wait. Maybe they just did oh wait, get wrapped. That's where I got my wheel done at. What? Little Mustangione. I like it, bro. Carbon fiber door replacement, hello? Hey, look, this is what happens when you break a door.
What?
Getting in and out of a car. That supercharger? I was just about to explain the exhaust to somebody, so we're gonna talk about it real quick because I still gotta update you guys on what's going on. As you guys know, full Vorsteiner kit. It comes with a rerouted exhaust where it's usually at the bottom right, bottom left, and then it's in the middle like a Performante. But the situation is, if you look in here, and I don't know how much light you have. Oh man, oh, you can kind of see it. So that right there is the manifold that comes out of the engine, and then it goes into a 2-inch pipe, which then goes into a 3-inch pipe, and then it has an overlay set right there, which is kind of like welded on there, and it's MIG welded, and then it has a huge muffler in the middle, which apparently they pack it with like some kind of steel wool and it can burn off, and then it comes out of here. So that whole thing being said, that exhaust is most likely getting choked, and the muffler in the middle is most likely causing an issue, and then the routing is a 2-inch to a 3-inch to a 2-inch, and it's just done wrong. So all over it's cooked and it needs to be changed, and that's what we're gonna be changing. Hopefully fixes the problem. That's tough. That's nice, bro. Yeah, it looks clean. I like it a lot. My baby, don't go, please. Please don't go. Don't leave me. No. Please don't leave me. No, don't leave me, please. Ooh, pretty, very pretty. I like that. No, don't go, please. Yo, we just dropped off the car, man, and it's gonna get a full rework. It'll be back in about 3 days. Bittersweet, man, but apparently it's gonna be a massive change. So I'm really excited to see how that goes. Of course, we have a lot of before and afters already of all the car meets that we went to and all the different sounds and burbles. I'm just staring at her right now, man. I'm gonna miss the hell out of this car, bro. It's been out of my hands for so long, bro. Like 1 month at a time, again and again and again. But this is gonna be a quick one, and I really trust the guy here. He comes from a great recommendation, and already he did a great job with the battery change and everything. So that being said, ladies and gentlemen, say goodbye to the baby girl, and we will see her again in a few days. In case I don't see you guys again, remember to like, subscribe, and all that stuff. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, and somehow you found the YouTube page, but you don't have me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Big giveaways coming soon. I'm a really big giveaway guy, literally physically as well. And that's where you should be. Of course, we stream on Twitch as well. If you guys don't already follow me on Twitch, make sure to drop a follow there. We stream every single night, GTA, RP, Counter-Strike, all the good teams. Mad love. I appreciate the heck out of every single one of you, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for showing love, and have a good one. Deuces, baby.